Okay, so in this video, we're going to have a look at an example about the merge sort algorithm for sorting a list of items. All right, so the merge sort is like given to us here. Okay, and you will have to use function if you want to code this algorithm up. Now, let's have a look at the example. So we got a list and it says that assume that we've got n items. So we've got 4 items and we will name them A0, A1 until A3. So 4 items. Now, so third line merge sort AN. So which does the following. If n is bigger than 1, so it means I've got the list A. And n is 4. So since n is 4, bigger than 1, we will do steps from 2 until 7. All right? Otherwise, we will stop. So the second here, m is 4 over 2 equal to. So so we did A4, so it was here A4, so it is bigger than 1, as I said. So I do step 2, which I said m equal 4 over 2. Okay, these 2. So I will have list 1, 2, 3, and 2, 1. So 2, 3 here, and 2, 1. List 1 and list 2. All right, so I just did third line and number 3 here. List 1, A0 until A1. And then I will choose A2 and A4, A3 for my second list here. Now I will have to merge sort again. So this is again this function. So merge sort. So A0 and A1. So how many items do we have here? 2. So list 1 here, list 2 here. Merge sort function applies to list 1. So it is 2, it is bigger than 1. So I will do step 2. So 2, 3. I need to separate 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So I will have to do the same job for list 2. So list 2, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 comes from here. 4 minus 2 here. Okay. So I will have to separate these 2 and 1. Now I will do step 7. Okay. So here, step 7, I will do merge list 1 and list 2. List 1 and list 2. I will merge it. But list 1 is also including like list 1, 1 and list 1, 2. All right, it's here, list 1. So this is also another, it has list of the lists, list 1, 1 and list 1, 2. All right, so 2, 3. So now we will do these here, this one here. Sorry. Okay, so you follow here, look at the list, the minimum numbers of the both lists here, and we will choose smaller of them, and we will choose the list of them. So we will choose or put them, put the minimum one to the output list, and we will repeat the jobs until the lists are exhausted. So if I follow the example, you will see. So okay, so list 1, 1, 2, 3 here. We choose smaller of these 2. Okay, so 2 is the 3. So 2 comes here and 3 comes here. So we just have 2 items. Now I will merge list 2, 1 and 2, 2. So it's finished. List 1 is finished. So I will have to do list 2. Then I will merge both of list 1 and list 2 completely. So I'm in the list 2. So list 2, 1. So by comparing again the same thing here, 1, 2 here. Now we are still in step 7. Okay, we did not finish. We have not finished the merging list 1 and list 2 yet. So 2, 3 here, 1, 2 here. I will look at the list or first items, which is 2 and 1. Then I will choose the first one. So it comes here 1. So what do we have now? So I chose this one. I put or chose this one as in my output list. Okay. So I've got 2, 3, 2. So 2 here and 2 here. So the second one has just one item in my list. So I will choose one. Since they are equal, I will choose just one of them. Okay. 1, 2 here. So we have that now. 3 here and 2 here. 3 here and 2 here. And again, I will do the same job. 2 comes here and 3 comes here. And the job is done. So in brief, what we did is this. We had 2, 3, 2, 1. The previous example for selection sort. So 2, 3 is here. I separate them, list 1 and list 2. In brief, we just did this one. In the second job that we did is just separating 2, 3, 2, 3 here and 2, 1, 2, 1 here. Now, we sort these. Okay, 2, 3, and 2, 1 will be 1, 2. Then we saw, and now here we sort it like by comparing 1 by 1. 2, 1, yes, 1 comes here. Then 2, I chose between 2 and 2, just one of them. Repeat it. I will choose one of them. And then 2 and 3, and we wrote them here, 2, 3. All right, the interesting thing here is this. How many jobs comparison or merging, separation, whatever I did for doing and finishing this sorting job by the method of merging. So the first one was separating or halving that 1, then halving this one 1 and halving this one 2. Then so comparing and merging this, okay, 1 and 1 here. And now we had 3 comparisons here. 3 comparisons. 1, 2, number 1, 2, 2, 2 comes here, then 3, 2. So then I had 3 comparisons to constitute my output list. So overall, all in all, I had 8, or I had 4 times log 4 base 2, which is also equal 8.